What was the biggest thing you felt didn't receive enough attention at the show, but should have?
For me, the biggest thing that did not get enough light at GTC is how much we need accurate data retrieval for making AI really work. Everyone talks about agent, physical agent coming close, inference that, AI factory, inference that, but without good, clean, and fast data, you get no good inference. It's like building a production line, but supplying it with really, really bad quality raw materials. I think people focus too much on shiny new toys, big models, large memory, but forget about the basics. Data retrieval, especially with knowledge graph, should be louder in the room. It's the key to make agents smart, not just noisy.
Curious, what are your predictions for RAG this quarter?
Today, RAG is mostly used for organizational knowledge retrieval, but we are seeing growing need to store the agent memory or the chat history. That is critical when generating personalized experiences. If an agent is your personal assistant that does a lot of the heavy lifting for you, like grocery shopping or booking flights, then it should actually know you like a personal assistant would. Think about it. Would you hire a personal assistant who suffered from amnesia and then trusted them to order your medication? Also, can you risk the personal assistant sharing your secrets? There is a massive privacy oversight waiting to happen if handling memory correctly is ignored. My point, each agent needs an isolated, personalized, long-term memory to truly be effective and production ready. This quarter, we'll see private knowledge graph used to hold agent private long-term memory alongside the current common graph RAG usage.